Yeah.
Dad,
Yeah.
She's making gurgling noises.
that I'd like to have more of on these.
What?
The only thing I can say really that I wish
It's
was
okay.
better about these
If it was an issue, do you think I'd be standing here grinning?
No.
What's that?
is resolution
On those goggles?
on the controls.
I know.
Oh, the controls, yeah. Well, they're pretty cheap.
Why not?
So I'm recording you here. You just hit Adam in the face.
Slowly potty before you put her down.
See this? So that's what that is receiver plugged in.
Oh, you have it on there?
Yeah.
I still don't understand. What does that thing do on the back?
Just holds it.
This is just a back shell, and I was printing it to see what I'm going to have to modify. It's got to be, look at the gap. I'm going to have to build that gap up.
Or
Make
get
your
that
shell
tighter
deeper.
contour.
Oh, it has that thing in it that.
The receiver.
Yeah.
Yeah.